We are here in Caderzone, which is a village of the Barrendena, which is part of the Madonna di Campiglio destination. So welcome to our destination and to Italy. In particular, here we are where the mountains meet humans and where the Dolomites meet the Alps. In particular, where the Brenta Dolomites that were declared UNESCO World Natural Heritage Site, and the Adamello-Brenta that is the largest glacier of the Italian Alps. This is a characteristic which is very important here, as we are in the heart of the Adamello-Brenta Nature Park, and so we are in direct contact with nature, and we are of course a mountain destination. What characterizes most our destination as well is the top identity, and so we are also known for our trendy après skis, pretty near locations. We have gourmet and Michelin-starred restaurants where to have dinner. We have exclusive shopping in wonderful boutiques. And we host, of course, great cultural and sport events. In particular, one of the top sport event is the Ski World Cup. That is a male night slalom, which takes place every year on the 22nd of December in Madonna di Campiglio on the Canalone Miramonti. Of course, as we are a mountain destination, we have lots of sports to do. In particular in summer we have trekking and hiking, via ferrata, climbing, mountain biking, paragliding, skating, tennis, and so on. And in winter we have the ski area that is one of the biggest ski area of Italy, in particular the bigger of the Trentinu region. Thanks to our 156 kilometers of interconnected ski runs, which connects Pinzolo to Madonna di Campiglio and to Folgare da Marileva. So we have more than 100 ski runs, from blue to black, of course, so for beginners but also for advanced skiers. And what characterizes in particular our ski area is that 95% of the slopes can be covered by an artificial snow system, so we can manage also those seasons which are not so good with the natural snow, and so we can open the whole ski area from the late November till the middle of April. Of course, we have an offer also for non-skiers. We have ski mountaineering, cross-country skiing. We have also ice skating, winter hiking trails, toboggan slope. We have dog sledding, horse trekking, ice climbing, paragliding. So we can cover all the needs of every kind of client. Then, of course, we can talk about our accommodation. We have a 5-star luxury hotel and 3 5-star hotels. And then we have lots of 4-star and 4-star superior hotels and 3 stars and B&Bs and private lodges as well. Then of course we are well known also for our food, as we are in Italy, and of course we are well known worldwide for our restaurants. We have 2 Michelin-starred restaurants in Madonna, lots of gourmet restaurants. We have 9 mountain refuges that could be reached in the mountains for dinners. Then we have agriturismi, local products in traditional boutiques, and also pizzerias, of course. Then I can talk about top experiences, both for winter and summer. We have a wide offer for what concerns activities in straight contact with nature, but also for food and everything about the mountain as well. Let's talk about the location. We are well located between the Dolomites and also the Lake Garda. We are well connected to Lake Garda, so people who are staying here can easily connect to the lake and so have both a vacation here and also to Lake Garda. This is a very important thing for us, as we can connect the offer of the lake and the mountains. And then I invite you to follow us on our social media, like Twitter, like Instagram and Facebook, at Campiglio Dolomiti. Yes, so we from 2 years have dynamic pricing, so people who are buying the tickets online will have a good price instead of going directly at the ticket offices. It goes from 64 to 74 depending on low season and high season. We usually sell the ski passes for the whole ski area, as people can enjoy the whole region, and so 156 kilometers of the interconnected ski slopes. The first foreign market is Polish. And then we have, of course, also English people, Irish people, and also German people, and depending on the seasons, in particular in winter, we have the Polish market as the first one. Romanian people are coming, of course. It is not one of the most important markets, but we will have then. I think that we can reply to the needs of every kind of client. So people who want to ski and enjoy the snow is very important to come here, because if people come here can really live and enjoy and experience our destination, so it's worth it. So yeah, we expect a very good season, as lots of people are booking our rooms. So it would be a very good season, like the 2018-2019, I think.